So far we have learned arrays, indexing, vectorization, broadcasting, aggregation, matrix multiplication, random data generation. Now we bring these concepts together. In this video we will implement linear regression from scratch. By the end of this video you will see how a model learns from data step by step. Let's create a simple dataset. First import NumPy. Set a seed so the results stay the same each time we run the code. Now generate the input feature. This creates 100 samples with one feature. Next, define the true relationship. Now generate the target values. So what did we do here? First we generated 100 data points. Then we created a true relationship y is equal to 4x plus 2. In the last, we added a small amount of noise. This helps simulate real-world data where values are not perfectly clean. In practice, we do not know the true weight and bias, so we start with random values. These are the parameters of the model. During training, the model will adjust these values to better fit the data. Linear regression follows this equation. Using NumPy, we can write it like this. This computes the predictions for all samples at once. To measure the error, we use mean squared error. This calculation uses vectorized subtraction, squaring the errors and taking the mean. First, we define two important training settings. Learning rate controls how much the parameters change in each update. Epochs tells the model how many times to go through the dataset. Now we start the training loop. This means the model will repeat the learning process 100 times. Next, we compute predictions. Here the model uses the current weight and bias to predict values. Now we compute the gradients. This calculates how much the weight should change. And this calculates how much the bias should change. These gradients tell the model which direction reduces the error. Next, we update the parameters. The weight is adjusted slightly to reduce the loss. The bias is updated in the same way. Finally, we monitor training. Every 10 epochs, we print the loss value to see if the model is improving. So the learning cycle looks like this. This is the basic idea behind how machine learning models learn from data. After training, we can check the learned parameters. This prints the final value of the weight and bias. If training worked correctly, the value should be close to 4 and 2. That means the model successfully learned the underlying relationship in the data. Try changing the code, increase the noise, change the learning rate, try 2 features instead of 1, use a dataset like 100, 2. Run it and see how the model behaves. So in this lesson, we built linear regression from scratch using NumPy. You saw how predictions are computed, how loss is calculated, and how parameters get updated. In the next lesson, we will implement logistic regression with NumPy. That's where classification starts. Thanks for watching. I am Aksa Zafar, and on MLTude, I teach data science and machine learning in a simple step-by-step way. Practice a little and I will see you in the next video. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to MLTude for more AI and machine learning tutorials.